Okay, let's have a look at this question now. Always a tricky one. These ones. Strange. Where's black gone? Oh, here we go. Yeah, yeah. It's always a tricky one. These move and wedge questions. So, let's have a look at the forces acting on A first. So, there's the weight of M. So there's an mg here which can be resolved. So that's mg sine 30, and then this one here is mg cos 30, and then there's a reaction and a tension. And then for B, similarly, you have the weight there, which is 2m, which can be resolved. So that one is 2mg cos 30, 2mg sine 30, another reaction, and the same tension. Then you have the wedge. Now the wedge is a bit tricky. So the wedge has a 3mg. Then it has the two reactions pushing into it, so that can be resolved as well. Now, if that's 30, that's 30. That's 60, that's 30. This one's the cos. Or cos 30, or what am I saying? Sine, or cos, not or. S cos 30, or sine 30, S sine 30, and then the tension here can be resolved into two down, a left and a right. I don't care about the left and the right because it's symmetric, they'll cancel, so it's only the two downward ones that interest me. So that would be 2t, if that's 30, that's 60, that's 30, that's cos, that's sine. 2t sine 30. And also a reaction, oh man, run out of space, call it Q. And then accelerations. So we'll say this one is going up with A, this one's going down with A, and I guess this would go to the left. I would think. So left with B. So that means there's a B left here as well, which needs to be resolved. So there's the A, and then resolved that way, and resolved that way. So what angle is that? That's 30 as well, isn't it? So that's B cos 30, B sine 30. Which way am I resolving now? This way, and then this way. Okay, so what's this angle here? Maybe I'm wrong with my 30 there. That one and that one. Cos, sine. If that's 30, I need to resolve that one there. That's 30. That one's the cos, that one's the sine. B sine 30, B cos 30, and then B. Alright, hopefully that's right. if this is, the smaller this angle gets, the more B will contribute to the horizontal. I think this is right. I hope it's right. I should have done my diagrams a bit clearer. That's definitely 30, and we're resolving it this way. Cos, I think so, yeah. Okay, so let's look at the first block. You've got B sine 30, that's the acceleration. Okay, we've got or minus mg cos 30 equals ma. Then we've got t minus mg sine 30 equals ma, which is a minus b cos 30. Then on the second block, we've got 2mg sine 30, which will be mg minus t equals ma, which is a minus b cos 30. And then we've got 2mg cos 30 minus s equals m a, which is b sine 30. So they actually cancel. Okay. All right, and then in the last block, the vertical isn't really going to help here, it's just a horizontal. So it's or sine 30 minus s sine 30 equal to ma. So need to get the or and the s. Then I've got my b. Oh, those twos cancel, might as well erase them. Okay, any other cancelling that I didn't spot? No. Okay. I'm going to do something sneaky. Bit sneaky. If I multiply this by 2, 2 cancel, this is equal to mb. And this is equal to mb, so I can make them equal. And I get 2 or minus root 3 mg equals root 3 mg minus s. So I have 2 or plus s equals 2 root 3 mg. Then here I'll multiply by 2. That's or plus s equals 6 mb. No, that's not sneaky enough. What's the easiest way to get or and s so I can get the b? Well, I still like what I did up here anyways. Well, I guess I could just rearrange this to get or, rearrange to get this, and sub in. So I could have or minus s equals 3 mb, and then, yeah, the 2 is, okay. Then sub that in, and sub that in. Okay, so or would be mb plus mg root 3 a half, that's or, minus s, and minus s would be mb minus mg root 3, Well, I'm going to make a mistake on the signs. S would be root 3 mg minus mb equals 3 mb. So if I multiply by 2, I get mb plus mg root 3 minus 2 root 3 mg minus minus plus 2 mb equals 3 mb. Wow, that's fantastic. Now the b is cancelled out. Oh yeah, because when I multiply by 2, I forgot to make that a 6. That's better. 6 mb minus 2 mb minus mb, that's 3 mb. On the right equals mg root 3 minus 2 root 3 mg. So therefore, b, and cancel out the m's, will be root 3g. Actually, take out the g. Root 3 minus 2. Oh, okay, so I have it going the wrong way then. It's actually going to the right, because it's looking like the b is negative. Because you'll get, this is root 3 minus 2 root 3, so that's actually minus root 3 g divided by 3. So it's 1 over root 3, or root 3 over 3 g. Right. So what's happened is I drew the wedge going to the left when I should have drawn it going to the right, and as a result my b has come out as negative. G root 3 minus 2 root 3 is minus root 3 g divided by 3. Yeah, okay, so I think, let's just double check that this answer isn't more than g. No, it's about a little over half of g. So, yeah. Just goes to show how the movement can sometimes be counterintuitive. Yeah. Okay. I think this is okay, but as you can see for yourself, it'd be the easiest thing in the world to make a slip somewhere. Let me know if you spot something. I'll certainly correct it.